Y'all, I promise I got on the shirt. Hold on. Okay. Dang, that made it even worse. Whew. I need a new film setup. It's hard out here for a pimp. I'm not really a pimp. Y'all, I forgot to spray this on during my video. So let me go ahead. This is the most ghettoest intro ever, okay? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, if you're a new subscriber, then welcome. I'm Alicia, and in today's video, you're going to be watching me do my makeup, snatch this face, okay? I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, so I can get straight to the video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay, y'all, we about to get straight into this video. So it's pretty early in the morning. It's 9:29, almost 9:30, and I'm planning to do 3 videos today, y'all. 3 videos today. One is gonna be for my ministry channel. If you're not subscribed to my ministry, then what are you doing? I'm gonna leave it all in the description box. Just check the description box for links and everything like that. My skin is looking a little dry. In the wintertime, I get dry. It don't feel dry, but it looks dry, okay? And I don't have any moisturizer, so you still have to make it work, okay? I'm running so low on products, like it's ridiculous. I need new makeup products. I need some refills. Okay, so this is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and go over my brows with it because I cannot do my brows when they are not dry. Do y'all like my nails? They're press-ons from Kiss, okay? Period. Nothing has really changed with my makeup routine, but I did try a new routine over the weekend, and I want to get on here and do it. But I still use the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil in black and brown, and this has become my favorite since I've started using it. And I honestly do want to try new brands, but I tend to stick to what I know. But I do want to try new brands. I used to use the Benefit brow pencil. I think it was the Precisely brow pencil or something like that, and I love that you could create like hair-like strokes at the front of it, for real. So, but I haven't used, because this is more affordable. These brow pencils are way more affordable, y'all. And my eyebrow hairs are thick, but they thin, like they're sparse, if that makes sense. I usually always shape my brows up myself because when I was younger, I used to get like my brows arched or whatever, and I hate, because I have a big forehead, like I feel like they would be taking off too much hair sometimes. So I never get them done because I'm scared somebody's gonna do it the way that I don't like and they're gonna look ugly. They look real huge right now, y'all, but we're gonna using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn to clean up the brows. And yes, I cleaned up my brows. Oh, that is that went on my baby's shoe, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, I got it out. Ivory soap. Ivory soap comes in handy if you need to clean your makeup brushes, if you need to get makeup out of a shoe. Ivory soap comes in handy, y'all. Like, I can't remember what I was saying, to be honest, But I'm gonna go ahead. I think this is where I was with my concealer. Oh, I was talking about how I do conceal the top of my brows with the same color as what I conceal with underneath my brows. And that just works for me. Okay, so I'm sitting here like, one thing I noticed about me, y'all, is I use the same shades fall, winter, spring, and summer. And you know how our skin tones change throughout the seasons? I never buy makeup that fits my skin tone. Like, I just make it work during that season, and I need to do better. And wait until I can change my makeup setting, like my film area setting, because I always mess up one of my brows when I'm looking through this tiny mirror. Like, I need a big, I'm used to looking at a big mirror in front of me, and like this one I messed up on top, but we can fix it. So this is a new technique that I learned. I was telling y'all about that I did on over the weekend, and I've been learning this on TikTok. And basically, put your concealer on first. And y'all, this is just the way I conceal, okay? And this may not be new to some of y'all either, but this is just, I liked it. And my aunt sent me a text message. She was like, you look so pretty. Because period, it's the makeup. I'm gonna put some over here, which I do have an orange color corrector, but I'm not gonna use it. All right, so I don't like to let this dry down. I did once before and it did right, and then another time I did it, it didn't do right, so I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the edges and like blend all this up. I just realized I forgot to prime my face, y'all. So I realized that because I'm seeing my pores through this concealer. Lord have mercy. It's too early in the morning for me to be doing a video, y'all. But I have so much content to do, and I'm trying to get in the habit of not waiting until the last minute and filming, and not waiting all day, because once my son comes home from daycare, that's it. That's it. It looks good on camera. It's showing up good on camera, what I'm looking at right now, but in this mirror, child, no. I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer. So I'm just gonna blend that. Which I probably should have let it dry down a little bit. That looks a little better. So of course, since we already put concealer on, we're gonna have to set. Because we don't want, I already crease fast. And we don't want any more creasing, okay? But I promise it's gonna come together, okay? So next I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made, and I'm just gonna put foundation wherever I did not put concealer. So wherever I did not put concealer, basically, I'm gonna have to. This is a foundation brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. And child, what am I doing? I need more foundation than this. Because I did not conceal my hyperpigmentation. Plus I gotta blend. But I can always add more, because this foundation, you can do layers. So I'm just gonna blend it out. I like to lightly buff on that line where the foundation and the concealer is gonna meet, and also right here. Of course, when we do our forehead, because our concealer is the same shade, we have to put that foundation on top of that concealer, or else it's gonna look crazy. Oh, some people don't put foundation on their forehead, but I think you'll be able to tell the difference if I didn't. So just add a little bit more, because some of it I can still see the hyperpigmentation coming through. So I'm just gonna add some more foundation and just evenly distribute it. Y'all, I have gained some weight, and when I say it's all in my face, it's all in my face. It's ridiculous. And I'm trying to, I started working out, then I stopped, then I started working out, then I stopped, and I just can't be consistent with it. I don't understand why. So now I'm gonna go back in with some more setting powder and kind of like bake. I want to set my foundation. It's no longer sold, but it's Becca Light Shifter Finishing Veil, and I kind of want to mattify that a little bit before I put my contour on. Because I was looking a little oily. I forgot my primer, and I was gonna try a new primer today on camera, but so the contour is the Black Radiance, and I use this middle shade right here, and this is a brush I got from Amazon that's falling apart. A deep contour, baby. And I don't have any blush to use, y'all, so I ain't gotten into that yet, but we gotta get slim it down a little bit, you know, even though you probably can still see hyperpigmentation. Like, I remember, which it's not, Kat Von D does not own that makeup brand anymore, but I remember when I worked at Sephora, when she did own the brand, that foundation, I don't remember the name of it, but it was so full coverage, y'all. So full coverage. Like, even though she doesn't own the brand, I wonder if they changed the formula or anything. Because when I tell you, okay, so I think I can undo this. I'm gonna have to, cause yeah, I gotta wrap. I'm gonna have to hot comb my hair. I'm gonna put on some some mascara, and do my hair off camera, change my shirt off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I put my lashes on off camera, and I'm about to show y'all my shirt because I'm zoomed in a little bit too much, but I'm just going to take this brush and dust away all that powder and kind of like go in circular motions to blend out that contour. Okay, so right now I'm looking a little powdery, probably. But I have a new setting spray. I have not opened it. It's by Hard Candy. I got this from one of my friends. And it's, I'm gonna show y'all. I know Hard Candy is sold in Walmart. It's a Sheer Envy setting spray. It's mattifying, controls oils, minimize pores. It says 12-hour wear plus hydration. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna shake it up. I can't get it. Okay, I'm gonna do a spray test. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my face. Y'all, I like to put a lot of setting spray because I like for everything to blend. Like I soak it all up in. Because y'all see how I pulled out that highlight? I think my eyes, baby. That's why the line's still kind of harsh on that side. But I'm just gonna spray some more. Just a little bit more. Alright. Y'all, I had to cut all my hair off because that's another story for another day. But the little bob is cute. But I do want my hair to grow back. I do want my hair to grow back. But I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush and kind of I didn't add any more. I just ooh, okay then, bro. So now I'm gonna take that same mascara and put some underneath my eyes. Ooh, we gotta put on some earrings too, y'all. And then y'all know if you do content and you film it, it looks one way on camera, but when you watching it back, sometimes your makeup look different than what you think. So the way that I'm looking at it and the way that it's giving, I pray that it is transpiring the same way. Like it's transferring the same way. Little studs came from Fashion Nova. My little cheap necklace came from Walmart. Now I gotta add my fake moles, which I do have a natural few right here. And then I just like to put one right there, but you can barely see it. But then I was gonna try like this nude lipstick, but I don't know, because this is what my shirt looks like. It's denim. Let's see. But I'm gonna go over the top with some gloss because it's kind of washing me out. So I hope that's cute. And then highlighter. Once again, Becca is no longer sold. And y'all, I just grabbed these because they're at the front of all my other makeup, but I'm gonna use a different highlighter next video, y'all. One that y'all could actually go purchase. And then your girl gotta put some highlighter in the inner corner of her eyes, period. Make them pop a little bit. And ooh, it's eating. It's eating. Period. Okay. Let me zoom out a little bit so y'all can see my shirt. Period. My shirt is from Fashion Nova. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss when I upload. And I'll see y'all in my next video.